Hey guys, this is the new headset Tritton primer. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up. Here I'm showing you the stuff that comes with the headset. Okay, so now I'm gonna head to the Xbox and start showing you how to put in things. Plug this behind the HDMI. You get the other stuff. Transmitter. This, as always, white with white, red with red. This green goes in the transmitter over here. It stays there. Now we get the headset. See, the headset looks pretty good. In the back you keep pressing this for like 3 seconds, and the same on the headset together. That's all you have to do.